Prevent from electrical fires, you can count on EZCon.
Do you know how to use electricity properly in your daily life? Are you aware of living in the danger when you overuse your electrical devices? Today, let me show you a test. What happened when I use two electrical kettles on one power strip at the same time? Each of the electric kettles is 1200 watts and the current is 20 ampere. I'm going to test them on this general power strip. Switch on the electric kettles. After switching on, the power strip takes nearly 3 minutes to start the protection. Therefore, we will fast forward the video.
At 2 minutes 58 seconds, this power strip cuts off the power for protection.
The overcurrent protection of general power strip takes 3 minutes to react the protection. And what happened when I do exactly the same thing on our EZCon power strip?
Due to the immediate reaction, I will switch on the electric kettle first and then turn on the EZCon power strip. When it lights blue, that means the power is working.
However, when EZCon power strip detects overload, it will cut off power immediately and light red to remind. Too fast to watch it clearly? Replay one more time for you to take a closer look.
At nearly 4 seconds, the overcurrent protection takes action. What a huge differentiation between 4 seconds and 3 minutes protection!
When the overcurrent protection activates too long, it's easy to start an electrical fires, causing loss of life and property.
Apart from EZCon power strip, EZCon adapter plugs and wall sockets have the same high-quality, faster protection.
Wall sockets have the same feature, cutting off the power and flashing green to remind you it's overcurrent. Adapter plugs have the same feature, cutting off the power and flashing blue to remind you it's overcurrent.
To get more information, contact Team Young. Thank you.